Hello and welcome to another episode of Limmy Bashes. Today I'm going to hopefully be fitting my extended shackles in the back and also test fitting these big chunky boys. So these are my new dynamic soft 8 steelies. These are 235 by 70/16 Westlake all-terrains, and they're a 16 by 8 neg 25 steely, so should be pretty aggressive once they're on and give me a whole lot more clearance and a whole lot more traction on the muddy stuff. Rains are coming. This is what I'm going from and to. So this is the original Falcon rear spring shackle, and then this is my 2-inch extended Hilux shackle. So going from top to bottom, that difference there should be quite substantial. Let's see how high it sits. Ground. Oh, yeah! That's sitting nice and level with the front now. That's sick. Well, now that the rear lift's in, and I know it sits pretty flat, and the front's still really high, and the back's really high, I think it's time to fit these big chunky all-terrains, which I'm very, 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 very excited for. And yeah, come on. Oh yeah. Blick, 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 blick. So now comes the fun bit of trying to make the fronts fit on lock to lock, which requires removing that mud flap and this wheel arch liner. If I can get this out. Ow. And after a whole lot of guard trimming and bashing of little bits, the wheels are on and they fit, and I have lock to lock and they're mad. So that's another episode of Limmy Bashes done and dusted. Wheels are on, 2-inch rear lift is in, and it's sitting very high. And that's all for now, folks. So see you later. I'm going to get some food. Ciao.